Want to grow perfect radishes in your garden? Today we're exploring the art of radish cultivation, offering a simple step-by-step guide. We'll cover soil preparation, planting, care, harvesting, and storage. Let's dig in and start growing those perfect radishes. First things first, you need to prepare the soil. Radishes thrive in loose, well-drained soil. They favor a slightly acidic environment, ideally a pH between 6 and 7. Full sun exposure is also key. With the soil ready, you're set for the next step. Now, it's time to plant those radish seeds. Ensuring they're about an inch apart and half an inch deep is key. Remember, the cooler months of spring and fall offer the best planting conditions. With the seeds in the ground, you're one step closer to your perfect radishes. The seeds are planted, but your job isn't over yet. Consistent watering is crucial, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged, as radishes thrive in well-hydrated conditions. If your seedlings are too close together, don't hesitate to thin them out. This gives each radish room to grow and develop. Always stay vigilant for pests and diseases, as early detection and treatment can save your crop. With regular care and attention, your radishes will be ready to harvest in no time. You've nurtured your radishes. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Radishes are speedy growers, typically ready to harvest within 3 to 4 weeks of planting. Look for radishes about an inch in diameter. They're ready for the picking. Once harvested, remove the leaves, rinse off the dirt, and store them in a cool place. A fridge works well, just make sure they're in a breathable bag. With these tips, you're all set to enjoy fresh, perfect radishes straight from your garden. So, are you ready to grow perfect radishes? Just remember, prepare your soil, plant the seeds, care for your radishes, and then harvest and store. It's that simple. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!